In this video, you'll learn how to unlock and clear locked chats in WhatsApp. Lock chat. First, open WhatsApp, then go to Settings to access your account options. In Settings, select the Privacy section to view and customize features like blocked accounts and message privacy. Now, scroll down and select Chat Lock to manage locked chats. Click to unlock and clear locked chats, and with a final confirmation, you'll make these chats accessible again. Next, select the Chat Lock option to increase security for specific conversations. Then, expand privacy settings for more controls, or return to the main settings to change additional preferences. After that, open your desired group or chat to view your group chats, and you can see your locked chat is unlocked. Finally, click a share link to send content or access recording options for more features. You now know how to unlock and clear locked chats in WhatsApp.